This your boy Harless coming back to you live with another one. So today I'm back on FX Master Gold with the absolute markets. I have someone asked me to do a video on how to withdraw to make sure it's real. La 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 la. So my bad about the mic. So I went ahead and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. But before that, I wanted to go over exactly how this week went. It wasn't the best week, wasn't the worst week. We actually got close to 11% this week, which is incredible compared to some platforms, but they shoot at least for 15% a week on this platform. All right, so we come here, I click on my account. You can actually see, let's do the 16th was the beginning of the week, the end of the week was today because they took their money out. And you can see they took out, let's see, $216. That was the 20% split, and we get 80. So after that, I made $933. So if we go ahead and calculate this, 933 plus, let's see here, plus 216 plus 65, and count the change, y'all. I made a little bit over $1,200 this week without doing nothing. You get what I'm saying? Just from that money being there sitting there, that's $1,200 just from this one play, not doing anything at all. So I'm just telling y'all, don't sleep on this one, man. Don't sleep on it. But you know what? I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing my journey. If you are interested, I'm definitely going to put my information in the description below, so you'll have that as well. So you can also actually decide if you want to join. It'll be down in the description. So let's go here. I told somebody I would show them. So simple enough. You go to withdraw. Boom. You click what you want to withdraw and confirm. Click on your account. So I'm gonna just do a test withdrawal. $100. Boom. So USD. Confirm. Continue. This right here, ID. Sometimes it says ID. Sometimes it says purse. Same thing. All it is your wallet address that you want the money sent to. Now, one thing is with your wallet address, I have mine whitelisted, so I can only send money to this wallet address. Anybody who try to hack into my account can't go and change the wallet address and do all of that. If they don't put this wallet address in, the money won't come. Now, if you don't whitelist your wallet address, let's say you set up an account and you don't whitelist it, what's going to happen is that they're going to send you an email. With that email, you're going to have to enter in the wallet address that you put in here to have it sent to, and also the amount that you put in here to have it sent to, because they want to make sure that the person that's withdrawing the money is you and it's not somebody else trying to hack your account. Okay, so from there, I'm going to go ahead and go over here. Let's go to, let's find what it is. USDT. Boom. Ethereum network. Receive. Copy. All right. So once you go ahead and do that, you go ahead and put your address in here. Boom. You paste it. And then from there, let me make sure that's the right one. Yep. That's the right one. So you confirm it. All right, and once you confirm it, boom. So $100 waiting for the confirmation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video. Then I'm going to come back. Once I get that $100 sent directly to me, I'm going to go ahead and come back and put it back on the video. And you guys will see that everything has come back. I had to make a quick edit on that because it wasn't Bitcoin. Remember, up here it's supposed to be, instead of it being Bitcoin, you got to make sure you pick the right one. So for mine, it was actually USDT that I was supposed to pick. Then confirm wallet. I'm going to say $100 again. And then USD. Boom. Continue. See, it says purse. Boom. Put your wallet address in there. Confirm it. And then there we go. Now we waiting on it. See USDT on the ERC20 network. And go from there. So now, like I said, we're going to come back and in the next video, which is going to be in the same exact video, it's just going to be at the end of this. I'm not going to make you guys wait to show that it actually came to my wallet. All right. See you guys in a minute. All right, y'all. So through the power of YouTube, we back. It's been about 12 hours since I put in a request, and now, as you can see, my account balance is down by 100, and as you can see right here, in Tether, it went into my account, and it shows 98.45. Of course, you got to account for fees. The blockchain has fees. Nothing is free. So that was the extra right there. So it took a little while, 12 hours. My wallet is whitelisted, and it took 12 hours. I didn't have to wait for an email like I told you guys before for them to fix it, for them to do any of that. If you're not whitelisted, you're gonna have to wait for an email. The email is going to say into your address, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and you're going to have to enter that address that you wanted to send to, and you're going to have to enter the amount as to how much you wanted, you were requesting in that email, and then they're going to send it. If you don't respond to that email, they're not going to send you the money. You're going to be like, no, why is it taking so long? And usually it takes less than 24 hours. On the weekends, it could take up to 48 hours, they told me. But hey, it works. You can take out your money. It's real. So, but this your boy Heartless. I do want to thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This your boy Heartless. I'm out.